Hello dear children. In our today's class we are going to discuss few activities related to our lesson chemical reaction and equation. When magnesium ribbon is burning, what do you observe? For this, first let's see the picture. So over here you can see that when magnesium ribbon burns with dazzling flame and watch, powder is collected on the watch glass placed under it. So when you burn a magnesium ribbon, you find that white dazzling flame is seen and the powder is collected on the watch glass. The white powder is magnesium oxide formed by reaction of magnesium and oxygen present in the air. So how you can write the reaction? 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Children, can you tell me what is this type of reaction? It is combination reaction. Now let's see the next activity. What happens to zinc granules when dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid is added to it? Is there any change in its temperature? Okay, so over here you can see that there is a conical flask. There are some zinc granules present at the base and sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid can be added. So zinc, being an active metal, readily reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid at room temperature to form soluble zinc chloride and hydrogen. We can observe bubbles of hydrogen gas being formed around the zinc granules. So when the reaction takes place, bubbles of hydrogen gas are formed over there. If we touch the conical flask, we can feel a sense of hotness as there is a rise in temperature. So it's a exothermic reaction. Children, do you remember what is exothermic reaction? It is the reaction in which heat is given out. And what is endothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat is absorbed. Let's see the reaction. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. That is, zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas is formed. As zinc displaces hydrogen from HCl, this is a displacement reaction. Now let's see the next activity. Is there any change in temperature when water is added to calcium oxide or quicklime in a beaker? So calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slake lime. That means yes, calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, releasing a large amount of heat. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, calcium hydroxide. Such a reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. So here calcium oxide plus H2O gives CaOH twice. So here what has happened? Reactants combine with each other. So it is called as combination reaction. Now let's see the next activity. Do you observe any change in color of ferrous sulfate crystals when they are heated in boiling tube over the flame of a burner or spirit lamp? So basically they are asking, what change do you observe in ferrous sulfate crystals? So you can see over here, the green color of ferrous sulfate crystals changes to brownish black, oxidized, and smell of burning sulfur will be observed. Ferrous sulfate decomposes to form ferric oxide. Gas emitted smells like burning sulfur. In this reaction, the single reactant FeSO4 decomposes to form three different products. So the reaction is a decomposition reaction. So through these activities, we have also studied the different types of reaction taking place for those activities. So children, I hope you all are clear with all the activities.